Hi, welcome back all. This is my channel Software Guy, and we're gonna discuss on today's episode that how to convert your JPEG to text using the Microsoft Word. So for this you're gonna need open MSWORD. Then go to the Insert tab. Select Insert Image. And then select the file you want. Now adjust the image by using the formatting tools. After all that, click File and Save As. Type your name. Select the file as PDF. Save it. Now back to the Word, click Open. And select the PDF file that you have saved recently. Click OK. Now you can see that the image is converted to the text successfully. Try it and let me know the results. And also guys, if you think this videos might helpful to you, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well. I'm gonna back with another software tip like this. Until now, goodbyes.